FPV drones combine high-speed agility with immersive first-person flight experiences, perfect for both freestyle thrills and cinematic footage. Advanced models feature versatile frame designs, powerful propulsion systems, and stabilized 4K cameras for crisp, dynamic visuals in any environment. With intuitive flight modes, durable builds, and immersive FPV goggles, these drones deliver exhilarating performance and creative freedom for pilots of all skill levels. If any of the products shown interest you, you'll find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So let's go find them out. 5. The CADDXFPV Protos FPV Drone RTF Kit is a remarkable blend of compact design and powerful performance, fitting in your palm while delivering stunning HD visuals. Its advanced camera system with a Starvis 2 sensor and low-latency VTX ensures crisp, immersive footage even during high-speed freestyle. With over 30 minutes of flight time and fast Type-C charging, it keeps the excitement going with minimal downtime. Multiple flight modes make it easy for beginners to learn while offering thrilling control for experienced pilots. Combined with immersive FPV goggles, a durable, crash-resistant build, and incredible speed, this drone delivers a fun, reliable, and truly exhilarating flying experience. 4. The DJI Neo 2 stands out as a smart, creative drone that makes capturing cinematic moments effortless with features like Active Track and Selfie Shot. Its 4K video recording and advanced image processing deliver crisp, vibrant footage with smooth stabilization for professional-looking results. With fast, intelligent tracking up to 12 meters per second and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, it ensures safe, steady shots even in dynamic environments. Seamless integration with devices like the Apple Watch adds convenience through live view, voice control, and instant feedback on the go. Designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike, it combines safety features, long flight time, and easy controls for a worry-free flying experience. The BETAFPV Aquila20 FPV kit delivers an electrifying FPV experience, perfectly blending high-performance capabilities with beginner-friendly design. Its adjustable VTX power and 400-meter range ensure stable, crystal-clear video, letting pilots explore with confidence and precision. Featuring 3 versatile flight modes, altitude hold and turtle mode, it adapts to your skill level, providing safe learning and full acrobatic freedom. The powerful 2S propulsion system enables agile, responsive flights up to 10 minutes, while the rugged PA-410 frame safeguards against crashes for worry-free practice. Combined with immersive VR04 FPV goggles and the Light Radio 4 SE transmitter, every flight is smooth, engaging, and fully under your control. 2. The DJI Avata 2 redefines aerial creativity, making breathtaking FPV maneuvers effortless with one-push flips, rolls, and power loops. Its 155 degrees ultra-wide 4K camera with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor captures crisp, vivid footage, even in low-light conditions, while Rocksteady and Horizon Steady ensure silky smooth stabilization. Advanced sensors, integrated propeller guards, and turtle mode provide enhanced safety, allowing pilots to navigate tight spaces confidently. With up to 23 minutes of flight time, fast PD charging, and the robust DJI O4 transmission system, it delivers extended, immersive flights with minimal latency. Coupled with the Lightcut app and smart internal storage, creating, editing, and sharing stunning cinematic FPV videos has never been easier or more fun. 1. The iFlight Nazgul Evoque F5 V3 offers unmatched versatility with its switchable DC/X frame, letting pilots choose cinematic dead cat mode or agile X geometry for freestyle thrills. Equipped with a powerful Bohr Mini 60 ESC and dual independent BEC power supply, it ensures stable, high-performance flights for precision maneuvers. The front-mounted air unit, injection-molded construction, and innovative cooling channel provide durability, heat management, and organized design for worry-free operation. Capture stunning 4K 120 frames per second footage with a 1.3-inch sensor, ultra-wide 155 degrees FOV, and built-in stabilization, even in low-light conditions. The Nazgul Evoque F5 V3 is perfect for pilots seeking cinematic shots and high-adrenaline FPV adventures.